basically, if you're getting noise, what you have to do is take off this plate here and grease it. But in order to get to that, you've got to take off quite a bit of cowling. I'm going to give this a clean up and stick it all back. And then, yeah, job's a good one. Okay, so one thing noticing taking this apart is these bushes are getting a bit worn, but I don't have any the right size. The only one I've got are these that I use for an alternator, but they are too big. So they slide in there with a little spring. Hopefully they've still got enough life in them. But whilst I'm here, I'm going to take some measurements of them. So the width 3.45, height 6, and then the length I would imagine is supposed to be about maybe 12 or something like that. So let me check. So I've got that all in. Now I think I'm going to give this housing a clean out and then lubricate this wheel a little bit. So it looks like it's getting a bit old, the grease in there. Clean off these contacts and put it back together again. Let's see if that helps with the noise. I'm just cleaning off some of the dust from the brushes with isopropyl alcohol here. This bit's a bit tricky because I pulled off the motor, the brushes would just ping out, so I've used cable ties to hold them in place, and then I could put the motor back in without them just pinging back at me. Then you just cut the cable ties and it's all good to go. Handy little tip. So it's subtle to hear, but there is a difference. That just sounds like a normal wiper motor to me now, whereas before it had this kind of like blah, 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 blah sound as it moved, which was really bad when it was cold, and I think it was that grease just not being existent anymore. So yeah, fixed it.